Looks like temperatures continuing to turn milder as we go forward. At a weak disturbance come through overnight, but skies gradually improving with a west and northwesterly breeze. 40s for most this afternoon. The official range from about 36 to 52 from north to south. Varying amounts of snow still left on the ground, making for a huge range today. Everyone's in on a northwesterly breeze, which will go at around 10 to 15 miles an hour as we go through the afternoon. Because we won't have clouds drifting through tonight, temperatures will actually fall back a little bit further. We're talking teens to mid-20s overnight, and then eventually tomorrow, even a little bit milder. The minimum high temperature tomorrow, mid and upper 40s, but it looks like we'll see some lower and mid-50s as well. And the warmest of the days will be ahead of a front that gets here on Friday. So out ahead of that, a southwest wind and temperatures in the 50s to a few lower 60s. But colder air will rush back in Friday night, making for a chillier weekend.